It is not the 4th of July. It is just a match in the Argentina top flight between hosts Godoy Cruz and visiting Boca Juniors that was delayed for almost 2 minutes when home supporters set off a barrage of fireworks just before stoppage time. Boca Juniors led 2-1 when the pyrotechnics were set loose, with some missiles landing on the pitch. The visitors didn't seem fazed as Boca Juniors went on the clinch, the victory after the restart for their second straight win. But who cares for football with that amazing fireworks show?